Clarence, I have a question. Clarence, do you have to go potty? Do you have to go potty? Do you want to go outside? Would you like to go outside? Is there anything? Are your eyes all green on this video? Huh? Do your eyes look green? Do you miss your sister? Do you miss Lexi? How about Tyson? Do you miss Tyson? What else? Did you have a nice dinner tonight? What are you telling me? Pancake. Pancake, would you like to go outside? Why are you snoring? You're wide awake. Huh? Would you like to go outside? Do you have to potty? Clarence, do you need to go potty? Why are you snoring? Would anyone like a special, I don't know, would you like a treat? Would you like a treat? Would you like one of these? Why are you snoring?